Hey guys, welcome back. This is my Costa Rica highlights part 2. So to finish off our trip and kickstart our 2024, we headed over to Nosara, where we stayed at Jungle's Edge. Out of all the different places we got to see in Costa Rica, I'd have to say Nosara had the most to offer, but this is why we stayed at Jungle's Edge. Although this place is definitely known for its martial arts, they offer many other retreats such as surfing, yoga and beach retreats. Jungle's Edge has a few different options when it comes to their accommodation. The first couple of nights we stayed in the glamping huts, which were my favourite. And the second couple of nights we stayed in their luxury suites, which were definitely Chelsea's preferred option. One thing I loved about this place was while it was easy to be healthy and keep training, every now and then they'd let loose and have a party. The local beach is just a few minutes drive away. It's the perfect spot to learn to surf, and it does pick up for the more intermediate surfers, but Nosara is full of some amazing surf spots. On our second last day in Costa Rica, about a 5-minute drive away and an hour's hike, we went to a beach called Playa Rosada. Apparently Playa Rosada means pink beach, known for its pink sand. Now, either I'm completely colourblind or we went to the wrong beach, but nevertheless this was the most beautiful beach I've been to. If you want to check out these beaches, I recommend doing the Jungle's Edge beach retreats. as they're only accessible at certain tides and you won't be confused whether you're actually at the right beach or not. On our last day in Costa Rica, we found out we're here just in time for Arrabada, where hundreds of sea turtles come to the shores of Ostional Beach to lay their eggs. By the time we got there, most of the turtles had actually already been and gone, but getting to be this close to even one of these creatures was easily the best part of the trip.